Welcome back, friends, to another video. This is Mathematics Week 5 and 6 Part 2, and in this video we are doing some sharing and grouping. Here I have a few muffins. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 yummy muffins. Now, I want to share these muffins into these 2 trays at the bottom. Sharing means to divide them equally. And by making sure I divide them equally, I'm going to do it one by one. So let's start. 1 for this tray, 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 and 1 for that tray. I've divided them equally. In the first tray I have 4 muffins, and in the second tray I also have 4 muffins. That means that I divided them equally. I divided 8 muffins into 2 groups of 4. Here I have another set of muffins. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 yummy muffins. I want to divide them equally. I want to share them between these 2 trays. So let's start sharing. Remember, when I share, I do it one by one to make sure I divide them equally. Because it will not be fair if one has more than the other. 1 for this tray, 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 and 1 for this tray. But now, what now? Now I have 1 left. Because this tray has 3, and this tray has 3. So I have divided them equally. If I put the last muffin into one of the trays, it won't be shared equally. And one tray will have more than the other. So what must I do with the remainder? When I divide 7 yummy muffins into 2 trays, there is going to be 1 left. I can divide it into half. Discuss with an adult what do you think we can do with this last muffin. Remember, sometimes when we share equally, there can always be 1 left. Here I have some sweets. I want to put them in packets and divide them into groups of 2. There can only be 2 sweets in 1 packet. 1, 2. So this is a group. 1, 2. This is a group of 2. 1, 2. This is a group of 2. 1, 2. This is a group of 2. I've made groups of 2 sweets. I want to know how many sweets were there to begin with. How can I determine that without counting all the sweets again? In this group I have 2. In this group I have 2. In this group I have 2. And in the last group I have 2. We started counting in 2s, so if you can count in 2, it's very, very easy. Let's start from the beginning. I want them all together, so I'm going to use Mr. Plus. So my sum is going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because there are 4 groups, so must have 4 2's. 2 plus another group of 2 equals 4, plus another group is 6, and another group is 8. Well done. Let's make sure there are 8 sweets by counting them independently. Now, if you can count in 2's, this will be very easy. Help me count in 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 sweets. Let's make triple sure that we counted 8 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sweets. We've tried 3 different ways to count the sweets. We have added all the groups of 2, we've counted in twos, and we counted individually. When putting all these twos together is also called repeated addition, when we repeat the number and adding the same number again and again to get an answer. See you in the next video, part 3. Bye guys!